implementation of Vista or during the development of new modules for Vista. You can do the information flow on the back. Okay. Now I will go to the application, and we're going to see in the application is the structure of a wiki page, a blog post and space, and also how you can update your personal profile, how you can add pages, create a blog post, see all the forums that we have already available. You can enter information, propose a VX project. We're going to see the different type of modules we have included, resource pool, and finishing with how you can create a GUI mockup and how you can create an information flow diagram. Let me go to the application. This is the application, as you can see, as a regular visitor. As you can see, on top is no login information there. And you can navigate the site. Only a couple of the spaces are has restrictions about the access. And when you log into the system, you will be able to see those information. It's not secret information. The only place that we keep private are those for Ramsey project, which they are implementing right now the system, but they will have also a place where they can interact with the rest of the community. What I will do is log in as a VX visitor. And you will see the difference. Now you have your name. You can update your status. Let's say you are part of a team. You can update your status like you're doing with Twitter. If you click update status, you can type as a microblog. And this is what you're doing today. And that way, if you are part of the team, they will know. Then you can see your track, like hot links, that's how you were doing, and you can change your settings. Also, you have your own menu as a VX visitor. You can see here, you can again kind of similar to the one you have on top. Personal space, you can see your profile, status update, all this information, and let's go and change your profile. Again, you go, this is going to be your name, and then you go and modify your profile. In modifying your profile, you will see this is your status activities. It is keeping all the activities if you enter those. And then you can change your picture. Just click on picture. You can just select your picture from here, upload a new one, or select one of the avatars that are included. And you can reset your password. And also you can change your information, like email or personal information. Just click on edit here. And that will modify your information, and you feel free to enter all the information. Oops. You can enter all the information. Is no any required information here. You can select which one you want. And the about me, this piece is important. If you can enter a brief description of yourself, because that's the one that we're going to use when we use the who is who. That's a section we have in the spotlight to present the members of the community. And it's presenting this text that is in about me. I will save, and that's it. My information was updated. Okay. And what we have on the top is the section we call the spotlight, and we're trying to have there some kind of keynotes or things that we would like to present to the community, like the last blog post and ads or a topic. And then on the left we have the popular labels. We have an announcement here on the top. I'm trying to keep this with the new information. Also, when we do an announcement, it's going to feed the Twitter. If you have a Twitter account, you can follow us with our account number is vxVista, name is vxVista. You can follow us on Twitter. We have also other tags here, and we added a how you can collaborate, how you can add new information, small helps, tips that we have here. We are also Google News on the right and the updates on the front page. And in the bottom we have the navigation menu too. In order to download vxVista, you can click on this icon and you will be redirected to our environment, where you will see and read the Eclipse public license, and then if you agree, you can download the software. And also you have links there for the documentation. On top, this is the navigation, and this navigation will give you all the links you need in order to access to the different components of the vxVista environment. In people, you will have the resource pool. You will see all the team. You can see all the blogs posted and all the forums. And I will go this little later. But the idea of the resource pool is we are asking to the people to enter their information. If they are providing services for development, implementation, training, they can enter in the resource pool. They can log in there and they can promote their services to the rest of the community. But they also can request services. Then when you go vxVista, you can go to the global forum where we have discussions about Vista in general. And you can see, if you go to this page, you can see how we have the different modules organized. You can see we have the open source modules. Each of these components, each of these lines that you see here are spaces. And I will enter to one of these right now. I will enter the vxCPRS to show you a structure of the space. But we separate this for open source VX modules and VX certified modules. And then we have the VX projects and VX proposed projects. When the VX proposed project is formalized, we create a VX project space. At this point, we don't have any. We just have a couple of months with this environment. I will go to the vxCPRS space. Just keep in mind, a space is the place where the wiki pages are contained. And the reason why, if you see this on the header of the spaces, this is one space. And the breadcrumb, which is tracking where you are in the system, the first one is the name of the space. Right now, we are in the space vxVista workspace. But if I go to vxCPRS, in vxCPRS, you will see now the breadcrumb, the first part of your path is vxCPRS, and you are the workspace of vxCPRS. In the way we did this, we create a space and we add some information from the module. You have the product information, you have some key features here. We added some screenshots for the module, so you can click on the module and you can navigate and see the different modules, screenshots. And also we add a space index where you can see all the information that is contained as part of this module, vxCPRS. Now, we added blogs, and you can, let's say you're interested in blogs about CPRS. One of the challenges we have with vxVista and vxVista.org environment was the size of these solutions. vxVista is huge, and it has more than 100 modules. What we did, we decided just to build a list of spaces for the most important modules. And in that way, if you're a vxCPRS user, you can go just to this space, and also you can be tracking this space. And you will receive notification, and you can be adding information on the post, or you can be reading the information just related to vxCPRS. If other person is about BCMA, they can go to the BCMA. But the idea was to separate the different components. In that way, you don't have all the information mixed. you're going to have the small silos for each of the products. You can see all the blog posts for this application, or you can go to the full blogs and news page, and this is the list. And also you can add a blog post. If you are a community member, you can say add blog post, and you can add a blog post to this environment. I will go back to the workspace. Also, as a VX visitor, you have some access to the advanced management of this space. You can see a space detail, you can send invitation. Some of these components you can do it because you have the right, you have the access to do it. And in the way you can go browse, advance, and you can manage this information there. As you can see, you can export the content of the space to your as a PDF or Word document. Documentation, what we decided to do was just a link to all the documentation that the VA has already created and as a PDF, and then from here you can go and see those documents. Just click on this one. Then we have a forum, which is a place where we can add a topic that we would like to discuss with the rest of the community. Just add a new topic here. When you click and add a new topic, this is kind of the same like if you go and say add a page. And this is kind of I would like for you to pay attention. This is the kind of the basic structure of the environment, which is the wiki page. And this is the format. And the wiki page is very easy. Just you need a title. Then you can add content here. And if you see on your right, you have some health tips, how you can improve the look and feel of this content. If you add like the small markups here, you will see, oh, sorry. This is, you can add markups using the wiki markup, or if you're using this editor, you can just select the text and have them bold. If I go wiki markup, you will see these markups are the same you have in the health tips on your right. And you have the preview also where you can see, and you can select which one. If you're a wiki markup user, you can select this as a default. If not, you can work with this one where you have the different tools like creating a small table. And just say you enter the content here, and that's your table. And I will show you how the table looks like on the markup. This is your table. If you go to the wiki markup, you see it's just like if I do like this. And then I add, this is kind of adding the content using the wiki markup. If I go to the rich text, you will see the same result. You have both options depending on how you want to do it, but this is the place where you add your content.